In this video, I'll show you how to add a dynamic cinematic camera move transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition creates a seamless camera movement between your clips, making the scene change feel smooth, natural, and cinematic. It works great for films, documentaries, storytelling videos, and professional edits. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now go to the effects panel, search for motion camera. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Ease in controls, how smoothly the transition starts. Increase it for smoother movement. Decrease it for a sharper start. Ease out controls how smoothly the transition ends. Increase it for a smoother finish. Decrease it for a faster stop. Zoom controls the camera, push in or out. Increase it for a stronger zoom effect. Decrease it for a subtle camera movement. Rotation controls camera rotation during the transition. Increase it for more dramatic movement. Decrease it for a cleaner look. Horizontal tilt controls side to side camera movement. Increase or decrease it to create pan motion. Vertical tilt controls up and down camera movement. Adjust it, create tilt motion. Motion blur controls how smooth and realistic the movement looks. Increase it for more cinematic motion blur. Decrease it for a sharper look. Use a shorter duration for a quick camera snap. Use a longer duration for a smoother cinematic camera movement. For best results, match the camera movement direction with the motion in your footage. And that's it. That's how you create a dynamic cinematic camera move transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.